What up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. We're gonna be going to a meet later on. I know I said that last video and I didn't end up getting no video of it, but we're gonna go to a meet later on. I'm gonna go put some gas in the Z right now. I got my little brother in the whip. Let me show y'all. This was crazy. You ready? You sure? You wanna go fast or slow? You ready to do a cold start?
Yep.
Right.
Go.
The fuck? Oh, where's my key? Oh, it's right here. Nice little cold start. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go put some gas and then hopefully I'm gonna get some POV right now.
My parents told me I was hot. Guess I'm blowing up.
Don't you guys love these? Beautiful, huh? But honestly, I'm not even tripping. The cop could have got me for I'm not running a front license plate, so he could have got me for that. I also have window tint, so he could have got me for that. I have intake, but I have the carb sticker, so he could have got me for that. I don't know, maybe. Even though I have the carb sticker, I seen one YouTuber that he got pulled over and he had the carb sticker and the cop still gave him like a state ref for his exhaust. Kind of dumb. Like, California is hella strict, bro. Like, if y'all looking to move to California, just get ready to be spending paper like on some dumb shit. Like, but whatever, chill cop. I mean, he's just doing his job. What more could I say, you know? But yes, sir. Alright, guys, so we're about to get on the freeway right now. You ready to get on the freeway? Literally just got pulled over. Trying to fix my fucking GoPro on my phone. But it's all good. It is what it is. Shit happens for a reason. It's a nice ass day outside today. Usually it's been hella raining in California, so right now we have nice weather. He's like tripped out because I have the camera on my head. Gotta get on the freeway, gotta go get some gas, you feel me? It's funny because it's around this time last year I got a fucking ticket too. Literally on my mom's birthday. My mom's birthday's on the 16th. That's how you merge onto traffic. If you guys want to buy a Z, if you're planning on daily driving it, I would suggest, honestly, it's not that bad. I drive my Z more than I drive my Toyota Camry, just because I just like driving the Z. Even though I know I should be driving my Toyota Camry, I drive my Z more just because, I don't know, I just like driving it. Like, I've had a lot of cars in the past, and by far, like, this car, like, I don't have no issues with it at all. Like, I love this car. I had a G37 2008. Damn, this nigga going fast. But I had there goes the VTEC. That's just kicking in. But I had a 2008 G37. That was my first VQ, and then I ended up selling it because I needed to do the timing chain with my pops, and we ended up messing it up because I didn't know how big of a job on these VQ engines, just to do to do everything. Like, if you're gonna open the motor, even if you're gonna do the water pump on a VHR, you have to take off the whole front cover, and it's just a headache, guys. So, you know, if you don't try doing that job on yourself, especially if you don't know mechanics. Even if you know mechanics, like, that shit is hard. Like, my dad's been a mechanic his whole life, and it was a hard job for him. Like, I felt bad. So I had the G37, and then after that I got a G30. No, I got a G35 2005 or 2006 DE. It was the shit. I'm gonna pass my exit and shit. But I got a 2005 2006 DE, and then after that I sold it. It was a stick shift DE sedan, 4-door Infiniti G35, and then I didn't really like it, so then I ended up selling it, and then I literally sold it like a couple days after, and then after that I got a 2008 G35 HR, and then I liked it a lot, but the thing is that car wasted so much gas since it was a 5-speed automatic, and then I was like, oh, I'm not gonna get another car for a cool minute, and then I got this. And like, I'm in love with this car. Like, I love this shit. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna be heading to a meet. Oh look, there's another Z right there. VQ shit. You like that one? Which one you like, that one or mine? You like this one? I should be hitting a meet later today, and I'll be picking up the camera later on, so see what's up. Oh man, still can't believe I got pulled over for some stupid shit, but it is what it is. Shit happens for a reason. I brought my little brother to the park. Go play, look over there. Come on. This who's always in the house. He needs to get himself outside. Yeah, look how nice it looks. It's a nice ass day. So I just brought him to the park for a little bit. He's shy. I brought him to the... It's nice. Look at this. Sheesh. Bro, you need a haircut. Someone help out my man's get a haircut. This fool does not like getting haircuts. I even offered to cut his hair, and he was like, no. He just don't like getting haircuts, but I could relate, because when I was little, I didn't like getting haircuts for shit. What are you doing? Park right next to me, the Z shit. That shit, the Z stay together. Yeah. Sheesh. More than that. She's clean. Looking clean. The Camry is the best looking car here. TEs? Everyone else look, TEs. Bass in there. I wonder how many amps he has in there and shit. Damn, look at that fit, man. Sheesh. I like the little wrap. It's cool as long as everybody keeps it cool. Selling some stuff. The carbon fiber fenders. Alright guys, so we just left the car meet. We're posted up. We were gonna get burgers, but this shit's closed. Stupid as fuck. But whips out. Sheesh. So what are we getting? It's because Jessica can't have tacos.
There's chicken.
I don't know. You go ask her. Sheesh. clean. This clean. We're all trying to decide on what to eat. Nobody knows what the fuck to eat.
Just fucking eat it, bro.
You're disgusting.
Homeboy straight out took it out of his mouth.
Oh, yes, he does.
What's up, guys? So I just got back home from being out. I call it a night because I have work tomorrow in the morning, and it's already like 1 in the morning. So I just wanted to tell you guys that I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you like the video and then you subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna try to be posting every 2 days, maybe a day. I'm gonna just try to stay consistent on this channel and keep going. And if you guys have requests or anything you guys want to see, make sure you just tell me in the comments, and then I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.